In this question, an automobile company is ready to introduce a new line of cars through a national sales campaign. After test marketing, the line in a carefully after test marketing and marketing the line in a carefully selected city, uh, the marketing research department estimates that the sales in millions of dollars will increase at a monthly rate. So that is the rate at which it will increase, right? That is given as S prime t, which is 18 minus 13 times e raised to negative zero point 0.1 t, where t is between 0 to 36. So what will be the total sales t months after the beginning if you assume no sale was there at the beginning? So all we need to do in the part A is integrate both the sides, right? And that too from 0 to s, because they are given, it's given that initially there was no sales. So we integrate the right side as well, and the values of the t are from starting, that is 0 to none, the month of t. So this will become st, of course, after the integration, and the integration of, definitely there would be a dt as well. Integration of 18 is 18t, 13 remains outside. Integration of e raised to minus 0.1 t is e raised to minus 0.1 t over negative 0.1. All right, and the limits of t are from 0 to t. So if we simplify this one, that's going to be looking like 18t plus, because minus and minus will definitely become plus, and 1 over zero point 0.1 is nothing but 10, and 10 times 13 is 130. So basically I'm doing 13 over zero point 0.1. 13 over zero point 0.1 is 130, and e raised to minus 0.1 t within the limits of 0 to t. So upper limit, if we place, we get 18t plus 130 times e raised to minus 0.1 t. And if we place the lower limit, then 18 times 0 is 0, and e raised to 0 is 1. So it's just 130 times 1 is 130. So the final answer is 18t plus 130 times e raised to minus 0.1 t minus 130. This is the value of the total sales from 0 to t months. Then we talk about what is the estimated total sales for the first 10 months. So all we have to do is replace t by 10 in this particular equation. So for the first 10 months, S10 is going to be 18 times 10 plus 130 times e raised to 0.1 times 10 is just 1, right? And minus 130. So that's where my calculator comes in. So 130 over e, and plus 180 minus 130. So this is coming as, remember, we need to answer to the nearest whole number. So that is coming as 98. And this is, they're talking about million. So we don't have to add million because they have already written over here. There's 98. And then they are talking about when will the estimated total sales reach 120 million. Okay, so we need to use a graphical calculator by equating ST is equal to 120, of course. So let's do that, and we have to give the answer to two decimal places. So this is the required ST. So if we equate this to 120, then 18t plus 130 times e raised to minus 0.1 t minus 120 minus 130 is equal to 120. So the value of t which I'm getting from here is, let me just grab my graphical calculator. So the value of t which I'm getting is 11.63, which is the answer to part C. Thank you.